Mysterious Forest. Once upon a time, a cute family went to a trip for a forest. After that, they had not returned from the forest. Their relatives were searching for days, months, and years. The relatives were so much worried and they inquired about the forest with the neighbors. After knowing about the forest, the relatives decided to find the best detective to help them. They published the ad in need of detective in all over India newspaper and waited for their call. The detective from the Chennai called them. They asked the detective to come to their place. After the detective reached their place, the relatives welcomed them in a grand manner. The relatives said about their problem to the detective and asked for help. The detective said that don't worry, I will definitely solve the problem. The detective starts to find the mystery. Before that, the detective comes to know that the cute family gone to the tour with knowing the mystery of the forest. The detective said that information to the relatives. The relatives were shocked and couldn't understand why they went to the forest by knowing the mystery of the forest. The detective started collecting information about the mystery of the forest. Some person told that long years back, the forest is spotted as tourist spot. During those days, people used to go to the place frequently and enjoy happily. That situation now changed due to some incident. What would be the incident happened arises the big question to the detective. The detective went to a library. There he saw a book based on the same forest. The detective comes to know that the book's author might know the solution for that. But the detective thought before that he must read the book. He took the book to his house. After reaching the house, the detective started reading the book. When he started to read the book, the sound arises around him and everything falls, though the detective does not lose hope. Without losing the hope, the detective starts reading the book. In that book, the author written that while the forest is spotted as a tourist spot, one children unlocked the notorious devil. The people were shocked by seeing the notorious devil. The notorious devil controls everyone and took the people to the notorious devil's place and treats them as a slave. While the detective turns the next page to read, the notorious devil comes in front of him and said not to read in a huge sound. The detective went out of the house and went to see the author of the book, whom the notorious devil can't do anything. The detective says to him everything and asks the solution. The author said that only one solution is there. It is very dangerous. The detective said that I am ready to do and ask for the solution. The author given a mind map for one mountain and said the detective that if you reach the top of the mountain, there will be a person who guides you what to do. There will be many dangerous situation before reaching the top of the mountain. You should overcome all the dangerous situation, then you will reach the place. The detective comes across every dangerous situation and finally reached the top of the mountain. There, the detective saw the person and said everything about the problem and asked the solution. The person gives a magical box to the detective to import the notorious devil. The person told how to use it. After knowing how to use magic box, the notorious devil decided to go to the forest. Before that, the detective learned some magic to teach the notorious devil. After learning the magic, the detective entered the forest. The notorious devil tries to control him, but with the detective's magic, he went to the notorious devil's place by cheating that notorious devil controlled him. The detective saw every person in that place who lost in the forest. The detective starts acting like the slave along with them. Meanwhile, he thinks for an idea to import the notorious devil in the magical box. Suddenly, the detective got an wonderful idea and locked the notorious devil in the magical box. Notorious Devil's place started to disappear. The forest changed again to tourist spot and every people are saved. The people said thanks to the detective. The detective with the satisfaction and happiness returned to his place. Thank you for watching this video.